Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I'd really love that. If you're returning, how are you today? A little bit of a news break, I guess you could say. Sean has tested positive. Yeah. First it started with headaches, and then he was really congested. And then the fever came on, and he had a fever for like 3 days straight. And then the coughing started. And he swore it was just a sinus infection. And I said, no. I said, you really should go get tested. So he did. And he went to CVS because I had to go and make an appointment for him to go through the drive-through. And it said, okay, well, 3 to 5 days to get your results in. And so 3 days later, he got his results in, and it came back positive. And then the day that he got his results in, he got a text message from a coworker saying, I sat next to you, and I just tested positive. So he got it from work. I, on the other hand, I don't feel sick, okay? We are taking every precaution you could possibly imagine. He is not staying in the bedroom with me. He is having his happy behind on the couch. But the house is being sanitized every single day. He's wearing his mask inside the house. He's wearing gloves. He won't touch anything. Every morning when he wakes up, the couch is being stripped, everything's being washed, and, because I have OCD with everything, especially when it comes to germs, and so it's extra work, but listen, I am overloading him literally with vitamin C and elderberry and all these vitamins and stuff like that. We were advised not to go to the hospital to get like antibiotics or anything like that. We were told to go to a walk-in clinic. Well, can't get into a walk-in clinic. And my primary care physician won't take him because, one, he's not a patient of hers. Two, she has no openings until April. So it's kind of like, what do you do? So he's taking OTCs. He feels much better since he's been taking OTCs. All I can say is that he did get this from work, but with him, with his job, it was bound to happen. We took a lot of precautions, with him. Like when he came home from work, it's not like he just walked in the door. When he pulled into the garage, honestly, we had a sanitation section in the mudroom. But obviously that wasn't enough. We're trying to stay positive, but there's not much more we can really do. I hate this. I really do. I hate the fact that he's positive, but I am just afraid that I'm going to get it because I have a weak immune system and I can't take antibiotics at all. Like with that one antibiotic that they were saying about the hydrochloroquine, or however you say it, that's sulfa-based. I'm allergic to sulfa-based medication, so I can't take it. So I don't know, but I just wanted to give you guys a life update on what's going on. So I just, you know, I sleep in bed alone. I have the cats in here. And the dogs sleep out there with him. But that's really it. But we're trying to stay positive with the positive, if that makes sense. But he feels a lot better. He has been taking, oh boy, what is it called? I will have to, hang on, let me go get it. Hang on, I'll show you what he's taking. Okay, so this is what he's taking. And this actually helps with, like, if you lose, like, your sense of taste and everything. So because that's the one thing that he did lose. Well, he was starting to lose it, let me just say that. And now he has his full sense of taste back. So this is what he's taking. And within the first hour of you taking this, you have to put 2 tablets, because they're dissolvable, underneath your tongue every 15 minutes. And then after that, it is, where is it? Three times a day. Dissolve 2 tablets under your tongue 3 times a day. But the first hour, it's every 15 minutes. 2 tablets every 15 minutes. But this is what he's taking, and he feels like 100% better. So, but the fever is what was really, you know, kicking his butt. But other than that, this is, because he's in quarantine, which obviously I'm in quarantine now too, from work for 14 days. So, is this my SOS? Because he's driving me nuts. He's driving me crazy. He really is. I could sit in here and I'm watching TV and it's every 15 minutes. Hun! Hun! And I'm like, help me. I'm kidding. No, I'm not. But listen, he's doing a lot better since he started taking that. Plus, he takes elderberry, vitamin C, zinc, D3, the NAC, all those vitamins that I showed you the other day in that video. That's what he's taking along with that. So he feels 100% better. And this is day 4. So I just wanted to let you know what he's taking. And 4 days later, he's 100% better. He's still a little congested, but if that's the worst of it, okay. But I think that that's the worst of it, and that's all he's really going to be experiencing. Only because I believe, in my opinion, because we have been taking elderberry and vitamin C and all these vitamins, and we built our immune system up for so long. I think that's why. I could be wrong, but I think the proof is right there. You know what I mean? But I'm not feeling anything. But then again, you know, I could be told, well, you're asymptomatic. I don't think so. You know, so, but I really hope I don't get it, because like I said, I can't take antibiotics. So, but other than that, that's all. All right. I love you guys. I'll see you later. Stay strong. Stay safe. Keep prepping. Stay positive and fear less. Bye.